The Inflation Reduction Act offers great opportunities to save on energy-efficient home upgrades made between 2023 and 2033. You can claim a credit of 30% of qualifying expenses up to $1,200 annually. For guidance on claiming these credits, log into your Intuit TurboTax account and check out the Home Energy Credits under Deductions and Credits in the Your Home section. Eligible improvements include things like solar water heaters, energy-efficient windows and doors, and battery storage systems. Certain items like heat pumps, biomass stoves, and boilers have their own $2,000 yearly cap, allowing for a combined maximum of $3,200 per year. And the best part? The credit resets annually instead of being a one-time benefit. Over the program's 10-year span, you could potentially claim up to $32,000 in total. Just keep in mind, these credits are non-refundable. They can lower your tax bill, but won't result in a refund if you owe nothing. Navigate through a series of qualifying questions until you locate your home energy improvement. If you need more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.